Today I'm going to make a Sakura Matcha Latte. Sakura means cherry blossom in Japanese. You might think it's difficult to create the shape of a cherry blossom petal, but you don't need any latte art skills or barista experience. This recipe is super simple. First, add 10 ml of Sakura syrup into a glass. Today I'm using morning cherry blossom syrup. It has a beautiful pale pink color and a delicate pleasant cherry blossom aroma. Next, pour in 100 ml of milk. If you adjust the quantity, I recommend keeping the ratio of syrup to milk at 1 to 10. If you add too much syrup, it can become overly sweet. Next, I will prepare matcha. This time, I used 4 grams of matcha with 70 ml of hot water. For the matcha, today I chose Hatsumukashi from Ito-ryu and Chaho. To make sure the flavor of the matcha isn't overpowered by the sweetness of the syrup, I recommend not cutting corners on the quality or the amount of matcha. Next, add ice to the glass, then slowly pour the matcha into the glass. If you create a nice layer of foam on top, it will be much easier to form the sakura bloom effect. So I recommend whisking the matcha slowly with a bamboo whisk, preferably a Japanese made one like this Takayama Chasen, especially using high quality matcha. Now let's move on to the most important part, creating the sakura design. First, find the cherry blossom illustration online and print it out. I used Canva to adjust it to my preferred size, exported it as a PDF, and then printed it. Cut it out carefully with a craft knife and your stencil is ready. Place the stencil on top of the glass and using a sifter, gently dust the sakura powder over it. This sakura powder has a sweet, refreshing aroma similar to vanilla, with a slightly sweet and salty flavor from the pickling process. This time I used a powder made from real cherry blossom and cherry leaves, but you could also crush some pink-colored chocolate as an alternative. And here's the finished Sakura Matcha Latte. It tastes just as good as it looks. The sweetness of the sakura syrup pairs beautifully with the rich flavor of the matcha, making it a perfect drink for a warm spring day. I hope you will give it a try. My ultimate goal is to create a high-quality matcha brand and share it with the people around the world. So, if you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate your support with a like and a follow. I will see you in the next video.